First natural crystal vending machine in Malaysia spotted in IPC shopping center at LG level. From HWC Coffee here, walk straight till the end. Yes, keep walking. Continue walking straight until you see Family Mart on your right. Yes, you will see Family Mart on the right, but you will still need to continue walking straight to the end. Just continue walking to the end until you see Mi Tarik Warisan Asli. Our first crystal vending machine is just right here in front of Mi Tarik Warisan Asli. We have natural crystal bracelets and pendants for both children and adults, cleansing crystals, palm stones, tumbles, stainless steel chain and raw crystal stones.